Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, I'll show you how to add page number from page 3 in Apple Pages. Let's get started. Open the Apple Pages document. Firstly, I have to add page number to all pages. Go to document and section option, check mark the header and footer and select the page number, position, footer or header, left, right and middle, and go to insert menu, click the page number. Now go to third page and keep the cursor end of text before of the third page and go to insert menu, click the section break. Now go to section and uncheck mark the match previous section. Now add the page number and start at page 1. Now remove the page number from 2 and on. You can add page number any specific number. Just increase the page number or you can type manually. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comments and share. Thanks for watching.